Dear students, now I am going to explain nuclei. Nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. Protons are having positive charge of 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and it was discovered by Rutherford. Neutrons have no charge, and it was discovered by Chadwick. Both protons and neutrons together are called nucleons. Protons and neutrons together are called nucleons. Size of nucleon equal to 1.1 into 10 power minus 15 meter or Fermis. Size of nucleon is of the order of 10 power minus 15 meter or Fermi. Hence, nucleons are also called fermions. Nucleons are also called fermions. Mass of nucleus. Total mass of protons and neutrons. Total mass of protons plus neutrons represented by mass number A. Mass number A. Charge of nucleus. Total charge of protons in the nucleus represented by Z. Atomic number. Total charge of protons is the charge of nucleus. Number of protons is represented by atomic number Z. Number of protons. Mass number ante total number of protons and neutrons. Total number of protons and neutrons equal to mass number. Density of nucleus. Mass by volume equal to mass of nucleon into mass number by volume of nucleon 4/3 pi r naught cube into A. This equal to m by 4/3 pi r naught cube, independent of mass number. Mass of nucleon 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram by Volume of nucleus 4 by 3 pi 3.14 into r naught 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 whole cube. This equal to 2.2 into 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. Nucleus is the heaviest dense matter in the universe. Radius of nucleus. Nucleus is in spherical shape. Radius of nucleus r is proportional to cube root of mass number. R is proportional to a power 1 by 3. R equal to r naught into a power 1 by 3, where r naught equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 meter. For different nuclei, R1 by R2 equal to A1 by A2 whole power 1 by 3. If A1 equal to 64 and A2 equal to 125, then R1 by R2 equal to 64 by 125 whole power 1 by 3 equal to 4 cube by 5 cube whole power 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 5 or 4:5. Volume of nucleus. Volume of nucleus is proportional to mass number A, or volume V equal to V naught into A, where V naught equal to 4 by 3 pi r naught. This cube equal to 7.24 into 10 power minus 45 meter cube. For different nuclei, V1 by V2 equal to A1 by A2. If A1 equal to 8 and A2 equal to 27, V1 by V2 equal to 8 by 27 or 8:27. Nucleus. Is in spherical shape and radius r is proportional to a power 1 by 3. Volume is directly proportional to A. V1 by V2 equal to A1 by A2. If A1 equal to 8 and A2 equal to 27, V1 is to V2 equal to 8 by 7 or 8:27. Nucleus of an atom represented by X, Z, A. But Z atomic number, A mass number. For example, 8 oxygen 16. Here Z equal to 8 and A equal to 16. Nuclei having same atomic number Z and different mass numbers A are called isotopes. Example 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. అన్నిటిలో అటామిక్ నంబర్ అన్నిటికీ సేమ్ 1 ఉంది, మాస్ నంబర్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. న్యూక్లియై హ్యావింగ్ సేమ్ అటామిక్ నంబర్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ మాస్ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఐసోటోప్స్. న్యూక్లియై హ్యావింగ్ సేమ్ mass number A and different atomic numbers are called isobars. Example, same mass number ఉండాలి, 1H3 అలాగే 2He3, సేమ్ మాస్ నంబర్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ అటామిక్ నంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ isotons, nuclei having same number of neutrons. Example 1H2, 2He3. In both the cases, number of neutrons equal to 1. Isomers, nuclei having same atomic number, same mass number and different half-lives are called isomers. Example bromine 3580 ground state, 35 bromine 80 metastable state. ఇవి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఐన్స్టైన్స్ mass and energy equivalence. According to Einstein, mass and energy are mutually convertible. E equal to mc square, where c velocity of light. Some relations: 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule, and 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule, and 1 MeV equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joule, and 1 joule equal to 10 power 7 erg. ఇవి సమ్ కన్వర్షన్స్. నౌ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఎనర్జీ ఈక్వివలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 gram of matter E equal to mc square. 1 gram 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 3 into c square plus 3 into 3 9 into 10 power 16 equal to 9 into 10 power 13 జౌల్ అవుతుంది. 9 into 10 power 13 జౌల్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 into 10 power 13 by 5 3.6 into 10 power 6. This equal to 2.5 into 10 power 7 kilowatt hours. Similarly, energy equivalence of 1 kilogram of matter 2.5 into 10 power 10 kilowatt hours. Energy equivalence of 1 gram of matter 1 gram of matter in EV in terms of electron volts. 9 into 10 power 13 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 5.625 into 10 power 32 electron volts. 5.625 into 10 power 26 MeV. For 1 kilogram of matter, energy E equal to 5.625 into 10 power 29 MeV. For 1 AMU, energy equivalence of 1 AMU of matter, mass of 1 AMU of matter E equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 into 5.625 into 10 power 29 equal to 931.5 MeV. Energy equivalence of 1 electronic or positronic mass equal to E equal to 931.5 by 1837. Here mass of electron equal to mass of positron equal to mass of అంటే 1 by proton, mass of proton by 1837 times, that is 1/1837 AMU అని. This equal to 0.51 MeV. Energy equivalence of one electronic or one positronic mass equal to 0.51 MeV. When a gamma ray of energy more than 1.02 MeV incident on a heavy metal, it emits an electron and positron pair. It is called pair production. Pair production. Gamma energy 1.02 MeV emits an positron plus an electron with zero kinetic energy. With zero kinetic energies. If energy is 1 point more than 1 point, for example, this is 2.02 MeV, electron positron 0.5 MeV and electron 0.5 MeV, both are moving in opposite directions with same kinetic energy. Here 0 energy, 0 MeV, here also 0 MeV. In this case 0.5 MeV, 0.5 MeV, both are in opposite directions. Binding energy. Mass defect by mass defect it is the difference between total mass of nucleons and mass of nucleus. Delta M equal to mass of proton into number of protons, mass of neutron into number of neutrons minus mass of nucleus. Binding energy. ఇక్కడ MH mass of proton, Z number of protons plus mass of neutron into number of neutrons A minus Z minus mass of nucleus capital M. Mass of nucleons and mass of nucleus. Energy equivalence of mass defect is called binding energy. Binding energy equal to delta M into delta M kilograms లో ఉన్నట్లయితే ఇంటూ C² జౌల్ అవుతుంది. అలానే if binding energy is in AMU, delta M AMU 931.5 MeVలలో వస్తుంది. ఇది బైండింగ్ ఎనర్జీ. బైండింగ్ ఎనర్జీ పర్ న్యూక్లియాన్ binding energy per nucleon equal to binding energy by mass number. Binding energy by mass number. A graph is plotted between binding energy along y-axis and mass number along x-axis. Binding energy per nucleon along y-axis and mass number along x-axis is called binding energy curve. Binding energy curve first rises sharply and reaches to maximum value of 8.8 MeV at iron 56 and then decreases slowly up to 7.6 MeV at 92 uranium 238. In the low mass number region, certain characteristic maxima and minima. Maxima are, these are maxima: 2He4, 4Be9, 6C12, 8O16, 8O16 and minima are at 3 lithium 6, 5 boron 10, 7N 14, etc. Maxima are associated with nuclei 2He4, 4 beryllium 9, 6C12, 8O16, etc. These nuclei having even number of protons and neutrons are most stable. Nuclei having odd number of protons and neutrons are more stable. These are maxima, most stable, minima, more stable, and nuclei having magic number of nuclei are stable. Deuterium 1H2 is the compound nucleus with low binding energy per nucleon. Maximum value of binding energy per nucleon is 8.8 MeV at iron 56. Nuclei having mass number less than 20 are less stable, hence they undergo nuclear fusion. To attain stability, nuclei having mass number more than 206 are unstable, hence they undergo nuclear fission to attain stability. In both nuclear fusion and nuclear fission, binding energy per nucleon increases and stability of nucleus increases. స్టెబిలిటీ పొందటం కోసమే ఇవి రెండు న్యూక్లియర్ ఫిజన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినా న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యూజన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినా అది స్టెబిలిటీ కోసమే అన్నమాట. ప్యాకింగ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. Mass defect per nucleon is called packing fraction equal to mass of nucleus minus mass number by mass number. This is packing fraction. Packing fraction. Mass defect per nucleon is called packing fraction. Packing fraction may be positive, negative or zero. Nuclei having positive packing fraction are less or unstable. Nuclei having negative packing fraction are more stable. When packing fraction is 0 for nuclei of mass number 20 and 206. వీటికి 0, వీటికి పాజిటివ్ ప్యాకింగ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అండ్ నెగటివ్ ప్యాకింగ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. న్యూక్లియై హ్యావింగ్ పాజిటివ్ ప్యాకింగ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆర్ లెస్ దెన్ 20 అయితే లెస్ స్టేబుల్, more than 206 అయితే unstable. Hence they undergo nuclear fusion and nuclear fission to attain stability. Nuclei having negative packing fraction are more stable, and iron 56 is the most stable element in the periodic table. Atomic mass unit. Mass of 1/12 mass of 1/12 mass of carbon isotope 6C12. 1 AMU equal to 1/12 into 12 grams. 12 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram by Avogadro number of atoms. This equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. This equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. This is 1 atomic mass unit. 1/12 mass of carbon isotope 6C12. Exergic reactions. Reaction in which energy is released. Energy is released. My energy release అయినట్లయితే దాన్ని ఎక్సోఎర్జిక్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం. A plus B equal to C plus D plus energy. Here mass of reactants is greater than mass of products. ఇలా ఉన్నట్లయితే ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ బైండింగ్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ products is greater than binding energy of reactants. Energy released Q equal to binding energy of products minus binding energy of reactants. Endoergic reaction. The reaction in which energy is absorbed. My energy absorb అయినట్లయితే అది ఎండోఎర్జిక్ అవుతుంది. A plus B equal to C plus D plus energy. Here mass of reactants is less than mass of products, or binding energy of products is less than binding energy of reactants. Energy absorbed Q equal to binding energy of reactants minus binding energy of products. నెక్స్ట్ న్యూక్లియర్ ఫోర్సెస్ నుంచి ఇంకొక వీడియోలో ఇస్తాను. ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఇంకా చేయకున్నట్లయితే. వీడియో లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.